Autumn doesn't rush. It simply lets go. One leaf at a time. One breeze at a time. And maybe today, that's exactly what your mind needs too. Because when we overthink, we hold on to every what if, every should have, every little doubt like it's our job to control the future. But yoga teaches us something different. Peace is never found by force. It arrives when we stop clinging, when we breathe, when we soften. So today, each pose is not just a movement, it's a moment, a gentle reminder that you don't have to solve everything right now, that it's okay to slow down, to release, to be here like a quiet leaf falling without fear. Let each breath whisper, I am safe in this moment. Let every exhale feel like emotional autumn. 1. Mountain pose. Stand tall like an old autumn tree rooted deep into the earth. Imagine your thoughts are leaves rustling above. Notice them, but don't hold them. Feel steadiness rise from your feet to your mind. Let the silence in your spine remind you that strength doesn't need noise. In stillness, you rediscover that not every thought deserves your energy. 2. Deep belly breathing. Place your hands gently on your belly. Inhale slowly like filling your body with warm autumn sunlight. Exhale like releasing a leaf drifting away. Imagine every breath ironing out worry lines within your mind. The longer you breathe, the softer your inner voice becomes. 3. Child's pose. Fold forward gently, forehead resting as if against autumn soil. This is the pose of surrender, where overthinking melts into trust. You don't need answers here. Only patience. Let your heart beat slow like a leaf landing softly on water. 4. Cat-cow stretch. Move like a thoughtful cat waking up, then open your chest like a cow soaking in sunset light. Flow softly. Thoughts loosen when the body flows. Each movement tells your nervous system it's okay to let go. Your spine carries worries. Today, you set them down. 5. Seated forward, bend. Reach for your toes, not with urgency, but like reaching for a memory. Let the spine fold over your worries. Overthinking lives in stiffness. Release it gently. Feel your breath travel down your back like autumn sunlight melting frost. Let your mind follow your body into quiet surrender. 6. Bound. Angle. Pose feet together. Knees open like petals of a chrysanthemum. Relax your shoulders. Overthinking often comes from fighting vulnerability. Here, you open gently instead. Embrace softness as your new form of courage. Calmness begins where resistance ends. 7. Eagle pose. Arms and legs wrapped, like holding yourself when thoughts overwhelm. Balance requires focus, and focus tames overthinking. Feel how your body steadies when your attention narrows. You cannot balance and overthink at the same time. 8. Standing side stretch. Reach one arm up, lean sideways like a leaf drifting in gentle wind. Stretch the space where worry hides. Let the ribcage expand with fresh air. Picture bottleneck thoughts dissolving in the extra room you're creating. Let your side open like a window in a crowded mind. 9. Warrior 2, stand strong. Gaze forward. Overthinking looks backward and forward. This pose teaches you presence. Your breath is your direction. Here you are. Not your worries. You are your breath, your intention, and your stillness. Stand like someone who chooses peace even in the storm. 10. Tree pose. Balance on one leg. Let your other foot rest softly. You wobble? Good. Overthinking seeks perfection. Nature teaches, stability comes from embracing imbalances. Even if you shake, keep breathing. Autumn winds move trees, but they never uproot them. Your wobble is not a weakness, it's awareness. 11. Downward dog. Lift your hips, lengthen your spine. Let your head hang freely. Shake thoughts downward like rain falling from branches. Feel every drop of tension slide away. In this moment, the ground holds you more than your thoughts ever will. 12. Thread the needle pose, arm slides under the shoulder. Head rests, a hidden opening. Just like calm hidden beneath chaos. Breathe deeply. Allow this twist to squeeze out unresolved thoughts. Your body whispers what your mind forgets. Release is an action, not a thinking process. 13. Camel pose. Lift your chest towards the sky. Heart open. When we overthink, we close off. This pose says, I choose courage over control. Let vulnerability rise like autumn sun after a long night. Trust that openness won't break you, it will free you. 14. Low lunge. Knee down, chest forward. Feel the quiet strength of taking one step at a time. Overthinking fears the journey. This pose celebrates it. Your body is moving forward even if your mind is stuck. Let movement prove what thoughts cannot. 15. Seated twist. Twist gently as if looking back at your thoughts, then release them behind you. Twists wring the mind's tension. Let clarity flow in. Feel old worries drain through your spine. Let the next inhale introduce something new. Possibility. 16. Reclined bound. Angle. Pose. Lie down with feet touching. Arms wide like autumn wings. Overthinking shrinks your world. This pose expands it. Feel the earth supporting you deeply. You don't have to carry everything tonight. 17. Legs up the wall. Let your legs rest upward, symbolizing surrender. Thoughts slow when blood flow calms. This is the pause button of your mind. Let gravity do what effort cannot. In stillness, clarity begins. 18. Supported bridge pose. Lift hips slightly. Imagine your worries underneath, slowly dissolving. A tiny lift can make huge space inside your head. Rise gently like sunrise through fog. You don't have to elevate far, just enough to see differently. 19. corpse pose. Lie still. Let every leaf thought drift away. Stillness is not emptiness, it's healing. Let your breath fade like evening light across fields. In the silence, your nervous system remembers peace. 20. Gratitude. Hand to heart pose. Sit comfortably, one hand on your heart. Whisper silently, I am allowed to rest. I am allowed to not have all the answers now. Feel warmth like autumn fire inside your chest. Know that healing doesn't happen by thinking. It happens by allowing. In autumn, trees let go not because they are weak, but because they are preparing for new strength. Today, you did the same. Every pose was a leaf released, every breath a step toward silence. And maybe tonight, if overthinking tries to return, you'll remember. Your mind isn't a battlefield, it's a garden. All it needs is space. If this session helped you breathe a little lighter, comment below and let me know what pose helped you the most. Like, share this with someone who thinks too much, and subscribe for more peaceful practices. Until our next class, allow your thoughts to fall gently, like leaves.